Hello. So we are presenting the Battletech game done so far. This is the Android version, and this you can see is the login page. In this page we have put some dummy credentials that will redirect you to the main section, and you have here register, Facebook login and forgot password. Let me show you the other buttons also. This is the register section, and you can put your data in here, but we are not connected to the web service yet, so let me go back to the other pages. Once the API integration is done, then we would be able to register through this section. And there is another forgot password section. You can type your email here and retrieve your password through the email. Let me now log in, and you can see the profile section of an user. We have put dummy data in this section, the email ID, username, and here are some buttons like game history button, claim price, and get button. This get button will be redirected to the in-app purchase section once it is totally done. And here is the play section. You can see that the timer and the text, all these things are integrated. If you try to put anything except the letters in the running text, you will see no reflection, and only the text will be reflected. Okay, so we have put a data to for the testing section, as this is not connected to the main API. Let me come back to the main profile section, and here are also some sections that you can go to. This is the instruction page. This is the leaderboard page. The next stage, what we will do is we will integrate the API here, so all this data will come live and will be integrated to the web service. So as for now, we are showing some dummy datas here. You can go to the buy game section also. This is the shop, and this all will be integrated to the API. So this is for now. Thank you.